Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate Steam's family view. So let's get started. Go here on Steam and click on Steam. Now after you have done that, go down here to settings. Now when you have done that, you have this option, family. Click on it and now you have this family view, click on manage. After you have done that, as you can see, my family view is disabled because nobody is using this PC except for me. But after you click this, you'll be prompted to make a pin, and if I'm correct, maybe something else will be asked of you, like selecting the games that you don't want other accounts to play. But when you have done that, go back to your settings family view. Wait, let me just... Well, never mind. Go back to your settings and your family, and what you need to do is, well, check this, and now, as you can see, there are some accounts that you'll need to choose that can share the games and that cannot share the games. But I'll untick this because, as I said, only I am using this PC. You can also play around with this option, but I'm going to leave you after that. So, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more content just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.